Hey everybody, just doing a video outside today. There's the dog house, the dog area. It's a little cloudy today. Probably get some rain. I was hoping to get a bird in the video, but it must have flew behind the trees. Since school is out, I made a few videos, but they failed to upload. Some were when school was still in, and some were after school let out. Not sure why they failed to upload, but it is what it is. I don't know if it was too much for the server, or being I'm able to make big ones now with my phone. Maybe it was too much for the server, I'm not sure. Maybe you all want to, in the meantime, want to picture yourself sitting at a fire in the fire pit. I have a bag of papers in the shed to add to it, but I'm not going to add it till we light up. Not sure when that'll be, but soon I'm sure. In the seating area. There's the bird. Let's see if it comes back out from the trees. I'm going to go in shortly and staying behind the trees, the bird. And I'm going to do a little video knitting and crocheting. Then I'm going to do, excuse me, a video with the mermaid tail only. Birds are speaking a bit. No birds on the pole today. I'm going to turn the phone sideways to get more of the sky. And again, no birds on the pole. That's okay. Gonna turn it back the right way now. And there's Bella in the background behind that little tree. Not sure what kind of little tree that is. I enlarged it a bit, so if anybody knows what that is, please leave in the comments. I'd appreciate it. I saw a little white thing, I don't know what that was, falling about, and there's Bella Wella, or Wella Bella. She's Wella Wella. I'm gonna put this back down before I get myself dizzy and move the camera around like I'm drunk. And I don't drink, so picture yourself having a fire in the fire pit. As soon as we light it up, I will be more than happy to record it. I'm glad I'm not a dog and have to smell to find a spot to go to the bathroom. That's mad nuts. Next I'll tell us to go back to caveman days, and there's the bird again. Let's see if we could get it there. It's behind the tree, but I think I caught a little bit of it. But next thing they'll tell us we have to go back to caveman days and dig a hole. And that happening. I was just trying to see if we could catch that bird between the tree branches, but I guess it flew too far out of sight. Oh, there's one. There's usually 3 of them flying about together. Sometimes I don't realize how fast I'm moving the phone until I'm watching the video. So if I'm moving too fast, everybody, I'm sorry. Come back, Birdie, so we could see you. And that's Sweetie Petey as usual, walking her head off. Ooh, there's one. So there's two of them at the moment flying around. This one and then the one we saw on the other side. But I don't see at the moment. Oh, there it is. There's the other one. Like I said, there's usually three of them. The clouds are kind of dark, so we're not seeing them too good on the video, or her. But I'm going to end this video now. Like I said, I just want to make a little video. I'm going to let you see the stairs going down. This is our front porch. And I'll focus on the grass a few minutes. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye.